Come and join me in learning how to make chicken fajitas. Take a look at the ingredients and the things that you'll need. In the blender, combine the following: ripe mangoes chopped, diced tomatoes without the seeds, chopped shallots or red onions, chopped jalapeño peppers, minced garlic, and finely chopped cilantro. Pour the extra virgin olive oil, squeeze some lime juice, blend to your desired consistency if you want it smooth or chunky. Oops, I forgot the salt and pepper, so I'm adding them now. Continue to pulse or puree the ingredients. Stop at any time to push the ingredients to the bottom. Then continue to blend until your preferred consistency is achieved. Then pour the mango salsa into a bowl. Cover and put it in the fridge to chill until ready to use. Let's make the sour cream mixture by combining the sour cream, milk, minced garlic, and finely chopped cilantro. Mix it until well blended. Add more sour cream as needed. Cover and put it in the fridge, allow to chill until ready to use. To marinate the chicken, pat them dry thoroughly. Then set aside for later. To make the marinade, pour the extra virgin olive oil in a vacuum seal bag or Ziploc. Then pour the shoyu or soy sauce. Add the minced garlic, dried or fresh parsley, the fajita spice blend or seasoning. Mix until well combined. Carefully put the pieces of chicken inside the bag. Close the bag properly and mix it well. Then shake, shake, shake until all pieces are well coated. It should look like this. Let the air out and seal the bag or Ziploc. Marinate and refrigerate overnight. The next day, cut the vegetables into strips and set them aside for later use. Heat up the olive oil in a large iron skillet over medium-high heat. Slowly put the pieces of chicken but do not overcrowd. Cook them for 5 to 10 minutes on each side or until all sides are golden brown. Then slice them into strips. Using the same iron skillet with the cooking oil, stir-fry the vegetables. Then add some pinches of salt and pepper, adjust to your taste. Stir and mix well. Then pour the remaining marinade sauce. Then stir it good and cook them for 5 to 10 minutes or until soft but still crunchy. Add the cooked chicken with the juice. Stir it good until well incorporated. Cook for 5 more minutes, then turn the heat off. There you have it, my chicken fajitas. Let's warm up some tortilla and put the ingredients together. Serve them warm with some mango salsa and enjoy!
What you think, Bobber?
Wow!